What's up, people? It's your boy Crypto Denzel, and today too I'll be showing you a new Bitcoin platform that you can actually mine yourself some free Bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies absolutely for free. No deposit anything, you not lose anything. So guys, if you feel me, please kindly subscribe to my channel Crypto Denzel, share my videos, comment on my videos, and also click on the notification bell for more updates on how to make money. So guys, without further ado, let's jump onto this strategy right now. So there is this site called crypto.cc. So guys, let me click on my main dashboard so that I'll show you how everything basically works. So guys, in order to register a new account with them, you really need to use your email. So in order to register a new account with them, you click on the register button over here. So once you click on it, it will take you to another page where you type in your email. Guys, this site is so special to the extent that the security is very tight. So as soon as you register a new account with them, they will be giving you a total power of 180 VHS. So guys, as soon as you register a new account, they'll be giving you a total power of 180 VHS. So you just need to type in your email over here. So when you type in your email, they automatically generate a password for you. You need to use that password in order to access this site. So let me log in because I have account already. So I'll log in right now for you guys to see. So I'm logging in right now. And also, when you're about to log in or when you're about to do anything, you need to confirm that you are not a robot. So I'll confirm that I'm not a robot right now. So I've successfully logged in again. So guys, as you can see, this is my current earnings over here. As you can see, the mining is ongoing. So far so good. I've already mined about 4 TRX. And my current power is 179 VHS over here. I can mine other cryptocurrencies too if I want. So I'll drag this power over here and mine Dogecoins. No, I want to mine this one. So I'll do this capture right now. So guys, please, if you want to boost up your mining, then you need to purchase power so that you can actually get more profit over here. So as you can see from here, this is how you can actually purchase a power. So when you come here, you need to choose a coin that you want to deposit through. So let's say if you choose BNB, or if you choose TRX, or if you choose Dogecoin or Bitcoin. So for me, if I want to deposit, I'll choose the TRX. So if you want to deposit TRX, the minimum investment over here is 25 USD. So meaning you send 399.97 TRX. So each and every day. So when you click on the 1 day, each and every day you'll be getting a total profit of 0.75 cents each and every day. So they'll be giving you the power of 1000 VHS over here. So each and every day you'll be getting 0.75% each and every day. So this is how everything basically works. So when you want to deposit, so you click on the open deposit over here. So if you click on it, they'll give you a deposit address over here. You copy it, you go straight to your Binance wallet or any wallet that you are currently having, then you deposit through. So if you deposit, then meaning you want to boost up your miners, so you'll be earning 3% each and every day of the amount that you send. So guys, that's all about this platform. They also have affiliate program too over here. If you want to they will be giving you a total profit of 12% if anyone uses your referral link over here, and if anyone uses your downlines, you'll be getting a total profit from them too. So guys, this site is really good and it's really legit. So all you need to do is to register a new account with them through my referral link in the description box. So guys, that's all you basically need to do. Thank you for watching Crypto Dynzo TV.